Namaste. Today I am going to do a free expression in this brown container, which is very rustic, and the finish is very rustic. Even the texture is there on that, which has got very rough texture, and it's brown in the color. I am trying to depict this line in my material, so there will be a line as well as the mass is always there with the flower. And as this is a rustic material, I am going to try and use the rustic flowers also. So let's start right now. As usual, we need to put water in that, and monsoon is finished in Bombay. Now the whole area, if you see, there is a grass all around. So I got a lovely grass today to show you. Lovely grass which has got it's a two color. If you the stick has got the yellow color and the reddish tint, and even the flowers or whatever we see, it has got those kind of effect. So I'm going to, and it's a line which I wanted to show you. So I'm going to make one the arrangement with the line. Now as the line is being given here, I'm trying to enhance that part only. When I saw this material, I thought of this part only. And I have got two sunflower which has already withered. So the whole combination is very rustic kind. Both the sunflowers. Actually, the flower which is growing also has got a beauty. So I thought, let me try making with those sunflowers only. As it is a sunflower round, I am trying to place it, showing you the flat surface of the flower. There is nothing I have kept inside, so the balancing is little tricky. With this, I will add one more line of the grass, and I think this flowers also will look nice because that's also has got a rustic color. Again, this is the arrangement with whatever dying flower also which has got the beauty. So see the nature minutely and pick up its essence, and each and every material has got its own beauty. That is what it's a fresh flower or it's not. And one line of this grass. Giving a little back balance. Use the rings, the leaves. Now the leaves what also I have chosen is in the circular. This is one of my favorite leaf, which is for me, which is very easy to get. I'm using this vase again for the first time, as it just came few days before in my hand. So sort of a rising material is rising. So based my free expression is on the giving emphasis to rising. Exactly, it is facing you. The combination is also very rustic. This you in Bombay, you will look for this kind of grass and work out the arrangement in whatever basic container you have. As we said, the trimming is very important. Just trim it off the leaf which is not, which is hindering the look of this. Hope you liked it. Thank you. Namaste.